Hello everyone, just want to quickly remind you that you can now join our new Discord group. The link is available in the video description. You can sign up for free to obtain daily signals and essential information about crypto. You can find the link in the video description as well as the comment section. Also available in the description box is our exclusive offer that gets you trading Dogecoin and any other cryptocurrency with a little extra head start. You'll get a 5% discount off every trade you make on Binance. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and sign up to enjoy this offer. In today's video on Crypto Fox, we will look at the next price target for Dogecoin. Also in this video, we'll be looking at some of Dogecoin's latest news. We'll take a look at some chart analysis of Dogecoin's price pattern towards the end as well. If you're watching a video on this channel for the first time, I do suggest that you hit subscribe and click on that notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Dogecoin is enduring a tough time in the middle of the current general market dip. Most coin prices almost wet the bed with a massive crash in prices met with huge sell-offs as investors rushed in to get their money out before the worst-case scenario feels about any and everybody. Still, the bright side of the current circumstances lies in the fact that Elon Musk might have some plan yet unrevealed for improving Dogecoin. Since the moment he mentioned Dogecoin's potential for redevelopment and the fact that he was working with Doge developers to enhance the effectiveness of the crypto, we've all been imagining how he would go about it. People such as Tron's Justice Sun and Cardano's Charles Hoskinson have chipped in to contribute to Elon Musk's agenda for Dogecoin in different ends and different purposes. We assume that if work has already started with the crypto, it will very much remain in the background. Elon Musk might have no heavy or physical involvement in the project. After all, he has two companies to run in Tesla and SpaceX, not to mention the other three, Boring Company, OpenAI, and Neuralink. So how will he continue to relate with the Doge developers about the improvements aside from tweeting about Dogecoin? His employees, of course. He has a lot of tech-driven personnel working with him in both Tesla and SpaceX. He could have a few of his employees grafted into working with Doge developers to aid them and further speed up the rate at which the reforms are introduced into the project. He's known to have a good working relationship with his employees and involve them in his dealings with Doge throughout the project. He might have thousands of employees working in his factories and SpaceX sites in several parts of the world. These would make great additions to the Doge community with time, if not already, along with the over 50 million followers he has on Twitter. The truth remains that not all of them will be fans of Dogecoin, but the majority will convert if necessary. There's still so much for Dogecoin to earn from working with Elon Musk. The following primary price target for Dogecoin is $1, but in the meantime, it has several levels to beat before it can attempt to even test those heights. It has consolidated in the last few days at 35 cents, and 40 cents is a pretty overbearing resistance that could see the price of Dogecoin switch away from the bearish momentum and let the bulls take over in the ascent towards a new rally. The last time Dogecoin reached an all-time high was 71 cents in May. Analysts have predicted its rise again, though, and there is optimism for the coin breaking out of its low levels to as high as 40 to 50 cents on the intraday charts. While it's majorly speculative, there are still expectations that Dogecoin can reach values between the $1 to $5 range. However, the most realistic value is $1 because of its current value of about 35 cents and the volatile market activity. An improvement in utility, speed of transaction, and transaction fees could very well increase Dogecoin beyond its current levels to around $1 to $2 in 2021. These are mere projections, but the most feasible option right now is an explosion to about 42 cents. If Dogecoin starts an explosion, it could face a lot of hurdles, starting with 40 cents. The first significant resistance for the bulls is near the 40 cents level. A close above the 41 cent zone could lead the price towards the 47 cents level in the near term. If there are more losses, the price could test the 27.5 cent support and the 100 simple moving average. The 61.8% fib retracement level of the upward move from the 21 cent swing low to 37 cent swing high is also near 30 cents. The next significant support on the downside is forming near the 25 cents level. According to its predictions, the value of Dogecoin could explode to 42 cents by the end of May, consolidating at 58 cents as we near the middle of the year. There is also a growing list of believers in the development of Dogecoin who are sticking to their optimistic outlook, claiming that they expect the price of Dogecoin could hit $2.50 at some point during 2022 if all things pan out. Another analyst predicted that the price of Dogecoin would reach about 95 cents before the end of June, representing an increase of around 300% on its current price of 35 cents. Another analyst is also optimistic about Dogecoin's prospects in 2021 and predicts that the price will hit close to 53 cents by the end of May. Dogecoin's price levels are on a dramatic dip since May from 71 cents. It reflects establishing a downward sloping support line for the crypto as the trend line proceeds towards the end of May. This month has been one with ups and downs on the Dogecoin chart. It seems to have consolidated just a bit after clearly seeing a sideways movement, as it stabilizes at 33 to 37 cents and almost seems like it would cross the 40 cents mark on the intraday charts. If it were to fall, it's not expected to fall below the lower support to 22 cents. A slip below that level could see the coin return to 10-cent levels. Dogecoin tested and touched 40 cents last month and has only been trying to get back to that level since the subsequent dip that resulted from China banning cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin holders can still open up their wallets to buy more crypto for holding at the 33 to 40 cents range, because breaking above the critical level would pave the way for gains above 60 cents. The surge of Dogecoin's price is traced to the growing trust that investors have in the cryptocurrency. The reason for investors' newfound faith in crypto has to do with its activity in the market. Dogecoin is replacing Bitcoin as the coin of the masses, and it's controlled by individual investors who believed in the future and value of the technology. Despite gaining renown, some people are still not convinced that Dogecoin is a good investment, as it's not backed by any asset or by a government, and the lack of mainstream support is seen as an impediment to the coin. The furious rise for Dogecoin in recent months has left the cryptocurrency vulnerable to pullbacks. Undoubtedly, people are now far more actively involved in their Dogecoin network accounts, even as new investors open new accounts. It's going to be quite the ride for Dogecoin, and you're either in or out. You don't have to rush into a panic to sell your holdings of Dogecoin. With Dogecoin's recent successes, altcoins are lining up to consolidate and ultimately go on bullish runs of their own. Many share the sentiment and have created lookalikes on the Binance Smart Chain. We have SHIB and others hoping to replicate the kind of growth that Dogecoin has done. Dogecoin's technical analysis is positive when viewed in the long term. You can't profit as a short trader in trading Dogecoin in the short term. It's pretty risky. Analysts remain optimistic that Dogecoin can experience the same boost as time proceeds, but point to the remaining time this year to know what we should expect. Given the turn of events, the price of Dogecoin first fell to 50 cents of its price of 70 cents to 35 cents, before falling to 28 cents and now 24 cents. It's not sure how far it will decline, but the fact that this is happening now points to a period of high suspense. I mean, the years to come sure had a lot of predictions in place that assured investors of good fortune for Dogecoin. Some analysts are suggesting that by 2024, Dogecoin to $100 is possible. This would follow a smooth period for Dogecoin, as there will be an addition to the partnerships and new technologies, which might surge its price to $8 to $10 at least by 2023, or even before that. It might lead to a high rate of adoption. Very soon, Dogecoin might reach somewhere around $15. Some market analysts believe it will push beyond the $1,000 barrier within the next 5 years. It all starts in this little time that we have. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post new videos. We say stop hesitating. Buy Dogecoin now. But what other Dogecoin information have you heard or read? Let us know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to join our free Discord group via the link in the description. And please check out some of our previous videos on Dogecoin as well. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.